Hey guys, welcome to Web Reviews, where we are trying to learn programming C# or coding C# using the exercises. And the exercises begin with very easy basic exercises to get you familiar with C#, and then we'll advance to more complicated exercises so that you can be an expert code writer or programmer. For the first exercise, I want you to make a console application in Visual Studio and write one line of code. In fact, you're going to modify one line of code so that you can print your name in the console, just like I did. This black window with these weird texts on it is called a console, and here you can see I wrote my name here, printed my name here by writing a simple, very simple C# code in Visual Studio. So just pause the video, try to make your console application in Visual Studio and modify the code so that it writes your name in the console. Good luck, and before you start, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much. Okay, I hope you figured out what to do, but don't worry, I'm going to go through the steps one by one. First, I will close Visual Studio. I open Visual Studio again so that we can make the application step by step together. Here it is. On the right panel, you can see 4 items. The last one is create a new project. I click the last item. Here you can see a long list of different types of projects you can do with Visual Studio, but the one we're interested in right now is a console application. By filtering the items, we can choose console application, and this is exactly what we're looking for. And on this page, you have to give it a name. I name it my first console app. And we are going to use the default settings. And we got everything ready. Okay, about this page, don't worry about the things you don't understand. We will go through all these things using namespaces, class, and static void main. Just forget about everything. Just remember that this part is where the machine starts running your code. This is the entry point. Main is the entry point into your program. I mean, your machine is running millions of lines of code, and at some point it has to know that you have written a program and you want the machine to start running your code, your commands. And how does it know it? By reaching this function. Main is the entry point into your program. Okay, here you can see a very familiar word. We have used it a lot. This is console. So we are sending a command into console. In fact, console is the name of a class. We will get into that later in later exercises and in tutorial videos that I have uploaded on my channel. But for now, just remember that we are saying, hey, console, do this. This is the function that we want the class console to do. We want console to write a line. It's so similar to everyday language. Console, write a line. What is that line? Everything between these quotation marks is what we want console to write on the screen. But the exercise wants us to write our name, so we will write our name. I write my name. Okay, this is my name. and I like this exclamation mark. I'm done. My first program is finished. I just need to run it using this little triangle button on top. You can see that the name of the project is written right in front of the little triangle. Just click it. It starts building your program. You don't need to worry about any of this because that is all done by the machine. Just wait. And here is my name on the screen. Congratulations, you did your first program using C#, and don't forget to watch the rest of the videos, do the rest of the exercises, and don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button, and like the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.